Moonee Ponds Creek, an urban waterway flowing through Melbourne supporting local biodiversity and serving as a key ecosystem. But beneath this tranquil surface lies a growing problem: litter. From plastic bags to drink bottles, everyday waste is polluting our waterways. What's the big deal, you ask? This litter doesn't just make the creek look unsightly, it's causing serious environmental damage. Let's take a closer look. Take this plastic bag for example. It may seem harmless, but plastic can take up to 500 years to decompose. During that time, it breaks into smaller particles called microplastics, tiny fragments that infiltrate our water, soil, and even the food we eat. Once these microplastics enter the food chain, they don't just affect wildlife like fish and birds, but they eventually end up on our plates too. Studies show that humans consume thousands of microplastic particles per year. The long-term health effects are still being studied, but early research suggests links to toxic buildup and inflammation. Wildlife is also directly impacted. Birds, fish, and other species mistake litter for food, leading to ingestion, entanglement, and sometimes death. Litter disrupts habitats, harms biodiversity, and damages the creek's natural function as a living ecosystem. So what can we do to stop this cycle of pollution? Here's how you can help restore Moonee Ponds Creek to its natural state. Number 1, dispose of waste responsibly. Always use the correct bins for trash and recycling. Many of the items polluting the creek are recyclable, like plastic bottles and cans, but only if they end up in the right place. Number 2, reduce single-use plastics. Opt for reusable bags, bottles, and containers. By reducing our plastic consumption, we limit the chance of this waste reaching the creek in the first place. Number 3, participate in cleanup efforts. Community cleanup days can have a huge impact. By volunteering, you directly help remove litter before it causes more damage. These small actions, when multiplied by many, have a significant impact. Not only do they help protect the creek's natural beauty, but they also restore the ecosystem's balance. The life cycle of litter doesn't end at disposal. When litter enters a waterway like Moonee Ponds Creek, it travels downstream, eventually reaching larger rivers, bays, and even the ocean. Preventing litter at the source is key to protecting not just the creek, but the entire interconnected water system. Local governments have installed litter traps and filtration systems to catch waste before it reaches the creek, but these systems can only do so much. Public awareness and responsible waste management are essential to prevent litter from entering the creek in the first place. Moonee Ponds Creek is a vital natural resource, supporting a wide variety of plant and animal life. By reducing litter, we can protect this ecosystem and ensure that future generations can enjoy the creek's beauty. It's not just about cleaning up, it's about changing our habits. Together we can stop the flow of litter, restore the health of Moonee Ponds Creek, and make a positive impact on our environment.